If Photoshop is showing an unlicensed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few ways to deal with it step by step. First, if you have a legitimate Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, this can sometimes happen because of a sync issue. So we'll start by re-verifying your subscription. Then, if you are using an offline or standalone setup, I'll show you how Windows Firewall can be used to block Photoshop from trying to connect to Adobe's licensing servers. And finally, I'll show you how to disable Adobe Genuine Service, which is another common reason these pop-up loops keep coming back. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start with option 1, re-verifying your subscription. If your Adobe plan is active, the problem may simply be that Creative Cloud is not syncing correctly. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. In the top right corner, click your profile icon, then select Sign Out. This will disconnect your current session and force the app to refresh your login details. After that, restart your computer completely. Once your system is back on, open the Creative Cloud app again and sign back in using the Adobe account that contains your subscription. This simple refresh can often fix account recognition issues and remove the unlicensed message without needing any deeper changes. If that does not solve the issue, move on to option 2, blocking Photoshop and Windows Firewall. This is useful if you need to prevent the software from reaching Adobe's licensing servers. First, open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. On the left side, click Advanced Settings. In the new window, choose Outbound Rules. Then click New Rule on the right. A wizard will open. Select Program and click Next. Then choose Browse and locate your Photoshop executable file. In most cases, it will be inside the Adobe Photoshop folder under Program Files. Usually something like C, Program Files, Adobe Photoshop, 202x. Select Photoshop.exe and continue. On the next screen, choose Block the Connection. Make sure the rule applies to domain, private, and public network profiles so it works in every case. Then give the rule a clear name, like Photoshop Block Rule, and finish the setup. Once this is done, Photoshop will be prevented from making outgoing license checks through the firewall. Now let's go to option 3, disabling Adobe Genuine Service. This background service can sometimes detect your installation and trigger repeated unlicensed warnings. To disable it, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the Services panel. Scroll down until you find Adobe Genuine Service. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, find Startup Type and change it to Disabled. Then click Stop to stop the service immediately. After that, click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer so the change fully takes effect. In many cases, this can stop the pop-up loop from appearing again. To recap, if you have a valid subscription, start by signing out and back into Creative Cloud to refresh the license sync. If you are working with an offline or standalone version, you can create a firewall rule to block Photoshop from contacting Adobe servers. And if Adobe Genuine Service keeps triggering the warning, disabling it may stop the alerts from coming back after a restart. Always make sure you understand the source of the issue before making any changes, especially if you are using a licensed copy of the software. I hope this guide helped you fix the Photoshop unlicensed error a little faster. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical computer tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.